This video shows how to set up Google Search Ads in 2022. See how step-by-step screenshots of the Google Search Ads program make it easy to set up ads that make you the most money. Small business owners need advertising that gets customers fast, cheap, and easy. You want to set up ads in hours that make you money month after month. Hello, Rich Bruns here. I help small business people run successful ads on Google Search. That's all I do, just Google Search Ads. I continuously improve my step-by-step Google Search Ads guide to get customers fast, pay Google less, and save time and hassle. 80% of people use Google Search to research and buy products. They have the largest audience of buyers. But most important, Google lets you precisely target who sees your ads so you don't waste money on non-buyers. You know the precise words that your desired customers put into Google Search, so you only run ads to people who put those precise words into Google Search. Successful ads require precise customer targeting. Ad agencies run the wrong ads to the wrong people at the wrong price because they don't know your customers like you do. You can write great ads in minutes. You talk with customers every day. You know what they like to hear before they buy. Set the cost per click bid for each product with scientific precision. The best bid is based on two things. One, how much do you make on each product sale? And two, how much did competitors bid for each product in the last 30 days? It's easy to set bids based on accurate competitive bidding data to run more ads more often with much lower costs. In the past 2 years, Google dramatically increased the cost per click that most advertisers pay when people click on their ads. Google increases their profit in 3 ways. Number 1, Google changes screens in the Google Ads program to recommend settings that make them more money. Today, the Google Ads program shows an obstacle course of optimizations, goals, warnings, and recommendations that make Google more money, but you pay Google too much. Number 2, Google hires aggressive telesales people to change campaign settings for advertisers. Number 3, Google offers free training, emails, and automatic campaign settings. Google no longer allows ad agencies and alternative Google ad training programs to advertise on Google Search using the keywords Google Search or Google Ads. A 9-minute video on my website shows actual screenshots of the Google Ads program. You'll see for yourself Google repeatedly attempts to take over bids and increase ad costs. Don't let Google set up your campaign for you. You can still precisely target customers if you know where to find the proper settings. Google hides the settings that you need to run cost-effective ads in sub-menus. The Google Search Ads Guide shows how to find and select settings that make you money. The Google Search Ads Guide shows 21 hidden settings that you need. In several hours, you set up ads that make you money month after month. You beat competitors who don't know how to play the game. You run better ads and pay Google much less. The Google Search Ads Guide is a solid investment that pays for itself with more sales, lower costs, and less hassle. Next, you'll definitely want to watch the 9-minute video on my website, www.richbruns.com. You'll see screenshots of the Google Ads program step by step that show what it takes to run successful ads on Google Search and how the Google Search Ads Guide makes it easy.